And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. Maybe not more analysts, right? And traders. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. And this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. What was the goal, everybody? My goal for you is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years on average. So we are ending slowly this first year, right? We are ending slowly. This is our last Forex trading week, I believe. Then we have 1 week of psychology, and then we are done, if I'm not mistaken, everybody. All right. Also, never forget that you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. So everybody, for the ones who want to join the Forex course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader course, you have 2 weeks to build your charts. Otherwise, you are going to waste your time in the Advanced Institutional Trader course. Okay? Build your charts, everybody. No, there is no right or wrong. Use whatever you understand and use whatever you like. Make sense? This is mine, I'm trading the Fibonacci's. I'm a Fibonacci master trader. I'm using support, resistance, pivot points, which you see, right? Support, pivot points, resistance on the monthly chart, red. And I'm using the trend line. So this is my chart, right? If you don't like the Fibonacci, so no Fibonacci on the chart. If you don't use or like support, resistance, pivot point, no support, resistance, pivot point on your chart. Make sense, everybody? And then I have my trade management system. All right? Some of you don't like KDJ, some of you prefer ATR, some of you prefer RSI, some of you prefer MACD and stochastic. It's all good, there is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody, you have 2 weeks. If you're planning to go to the Advanced Institutional Trader course, you have 2 weeks to set up your charts. All right, everybody. Otherwise, you're going to waste time in the advanced course. Now, you have a strategy in place. Just have something, have a document. All right. If you don't have any strategy, send me an email or say hello on Skype. I'm going to send you 10 strategies from my student traders in the Advanced Institutional Trader course. All right, just for you to see, take what you like, reject what you don't like. And number 3, I don't know how it goes, but you should have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Basically, you understand why you are winning, why you are losing. Okay, everybody, 2 weeks to go. And remember, if you are 5 years in the making, 6 years in the makings, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? All right, everybody. And if you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it. That being said, this is the Forex Trading Week Day 2. Risk disclaimer: this stream is not trading or investment advice. All right. My Darwin X0 account so far, this is what I can show you, otherwise I cannot. I don't want to, This is reasonable money, The bigger accounts, I want privacy, everybody. So this is Darwin X0, you know, all right? So if you want to trade with me and have the insight on what I'm doing, how I'm doing, you know, to have those results, and we can go to account history, you know, and all history, and save a detailed report. Let's see if the boss, he knows what he's talking about, huh? Let's see if the ex-institutional trader who is going to teach you, let's see if he knows what he's talking about. Not sure this is right. This is floating. I went to 109 and now I'm back to 5. Not good, right? Just joking, just joking. It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. You know, so I am now in 100,005. If I close everything, it's going to be 100,007, but I don't want to do this, everybody. Alright, I have my reasons, my strategies to look for. Okay, so if you want to trade with me and have the same insight, similar results, or whatever, you know what you should do? You should open the account on Darwin X0 with the quote, with the code, you know. Come on. Google doesn't want to open. It's not even Friday. So Darwin X0. All right, everybody, you should go to Darwin X0 and you should sign up. You should sign up. And I have a discount coupon and it's called FXBoss20. Apply. Alright, so you're not going to pay 95. The first payment is going to be 75 and then you have 38 euros per month. Alright, you need to choose MetaTrader 4, whatever, you know, okay? Once you are signed up with my code, not their code, my code, send me an email, alright? Send me an email on Skype or, send me an email on the Gmail or Skype, okay? So you can trade, so you can come, look at the, oh, there you go. So you can trade with me and see what I'm doing. We have sessions Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. All right? Exactly. Boss, thanks for being honest. Sure, always, always, always. And I'm showing you this on purpose, everybody, you know, for you to... Where are we? Where are we? Here? You know? Most of you, Forex course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader course, right? Most of you have problems and issues with losing traders and drawdowns. All right? So I'm showing you the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? This is the ugly, you know? So you can understand, well, if Mike has a drawdown, you know, then if this happens to me, well, it's not a big deal. It was 6%, right? But it looks ugly. It looks ugly. You know, it looks ugly. You say, oh, if Mike has a 6% drawdown, then it's not a big deal for me too. All right, everybody? So never forget, I'm looking for traders, all right? And you can again join me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for free. All right, for free, unless you have, if I closed already, unless you have the Darwin X Zero, right, and your subscription is active. All right. Boss, what if I don't have Darwin X Zero? Then it's $100 per month. I want to trade with you, boss. Javen, you are. You are in the group, you are trading. Sam says, hello boss, how it works by Darwinex if someone has reached the 30,000 euro as real money. Once you reach 30,000 euros, then this is your capital to trade, Sam, and you receive 15% of profits. All right? You don't receive 80%, you receive 15%. And the reason why is that this costs you 38 euros per month. Okay? Some traders get angry, and I'm telling those angry traders, get the hell out of here. You know, find somebody else to bother. You know? Give me a second, everybody, I need to take a book. Alright, I'm back. Alright, everybody. So, there is no free lunch, you know, you want to pay 38 euros per month and you want 200,000. But Darwinex, everybody, Darwinex, it's more than, oh my gosh, Bitcoin. Is something happening with Bitcoin? Fibonacci are getting crazy. Access denied, alright, and then the other computer. Is it something happening with Bitcoin? Fibo and Ichi are getting crazy, so where is Bitcoin? Do I have crypto Bitcoin? There you go. They are getting crazy. They're getting crazy. Now, or is Bitcoin rallying up, rallying, or is Bitcoin rallying down? Something is going to happen. Let's see if Fibonacci are predicting they have their charting software, you know, in the den. Whoa. Those guys are really good. My two dogs. Fibonacci, Bitcoin at 17, Reliant, wow. Thank you guys. That was Fibonacci, everybody. But back to Darwinex, everybody. Darwinex, it's not just, you know, a seed capital management company that is going to give you more and more and more money, you know. If you are, what's the word? If you're ambitious like me, you can build your own hedge fund with Darwinex. Make sense? Now this is a different story, a different conversation, you know, different education too. But you can build your own family office hedge fund. Javen and Sam, do you have kids? Everybody? Not just on YouTube, you know, or the other streaming platform too. Do you have children, everybody? If the answer is yes, you can set up a real hedge fund, regulated and licensed with Darwinex. Wouldn't be nice to have a hedge fund and you give, you know, your daughter or your son, you give them, when they're 18, you know, and you give them what? 200,000 euros, 500,000 euros, you know, 1,000,000 euros. Boss, you're hallucinating. I'm not. If your kid is 5, so we are talking about 13 years. Why would I hallucinate? This is pure math, it's compound interest. You can measure and monitor and make a plan how much money you should have based on your, based on what you are doing, based on your report card, you can track your performance, everybody, and then you have the average per year, let's say you iterate for 1 year with Darwin X, and then you have the average for this year, and now you have, your kid is 5, now you have 13 years. So you can calculate basically to the cent how much money should you have invested or managed with the return on investment that you're producing. Does this make sense? Javen says, no kids, boss. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, Then build a hedge fund for yourself, Sam says, tell me, boss, please, how it works with your dogs. I want to buy one like them, which are... Sam, I have the crypto course, 2. For my student traders, we have the crypto course 2. Let me see if I can access from here my portfolio, coin market cap. Let me see if I can access from here. This one's in Portuguese. Give me a second. Coin market cap. And we want to move from Portuguese to English. We want to move from Portuguese to English and log in. Oh my gosh, now you got me. Is this the gmail.com password? Let me see. Hopefully. It's no, this is not working. No, that's not. So it's going to be one of those. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Here we go. Portfolio. Connect your wallet. No thanks. All right. Do you like the portfolio? So Sam, I'm giving the crypto course. I mean, it's not trading, but it's about how to invest in cryptos. All right, it's called the crypto portfolio. And as you can see, it went from 0. What was this? 2000. From 2021. From 2021, we started with 1,000 in here. So from 2021, starting with 1,000, and we were playing around, we put $100 per month until 1,000, and then we let it run. So in about 3 years, from $1,000. But also, now it looks like beautiful, right? But it was also you know, it went down, right? The bear market happened, and okay, everybody, not to waste too much time on cryptos, but in the advanced course, Forex course 202, if you want, you know, on the side of the Fibonacci mastery, on the side of the US dollar index and basket trading, on the side of the how to hedge, if you want, I can, you know, we have once or twice per year, you know, how to build your crypto portfolio on automatic, you know. But this is investing, makes sense, everybody? This is trading, this is your hedge fund with DarwinX, this is you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is you doing something once per week or once per month, and then you're just let it run. Alright, everybody, so in the end, once more time, if you want to trade with me, so you can see where I enter, why I enter, how I losing, how I'm drawdowning, you know, no secrets, full transparency. Boss, thanks for being honest. You don't got it, I'm looking for traders. Make sense? I cannot tell you fairy tales. I cannot tell you fairy tales. Alright, everybody, Javen and hedge fund trader Sam, how are we going to make pips and money today? How are we going to make pips and money on GBP CHF? What do you say? And that's the easy one. How are we going to make pips and money, everybody, on GBP CHF? And this is the easy one. Daily chart is the intermediate chart between the monthly, weekly, and the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. All right. And Fibonacci for the Fibonacci traders. I am a Fibonacci master trader. I can brag, I have the results. Javen knows it, you know, I can brag. You know, it's not good to brag online, but I can brag, I have the results. What is this one? Is the no, so the market just hit the extension on the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Otherwise, so we're going to delete this one, disable. You know, it was a down market wave, then this down market wave changed to, we're almost ending the course, everybody, 2 weeks to go. This up market wave changed to, this is not a downtrend, unfortunately, not even this one. So we have no downtrend, still an extension leg. This is still an extension leg. Look at that crown, I mean, wow. I am buying on the daily chart. Javen already making pips on it, boss. Congratulations, very good. I'm proud of you, Javen. Sam, are you buying GBP CHF on the daily chart? And if the answer is yes, where is the take profit and where is the stop loss? So this is the Fibonacci, this is the original Fibonacci, everybody. And we have extend on the right. There you go. This is the original Fibonacci. This is the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Everybody, if you are buying on the daily chart, GBP CHF, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit? Please type in the chat. Otherwise, you know, so this is the market wave and we can monitor. It's all no-brainer for you to jump into the Forex course 202. So we are monitoring the short-term trends, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then this is the low, and then this is going to be like this. I need to readjust it, so it's going to be like this. This is going to be high to low, high to low. So I need to readjust it in here. Readjust. How to readjust the trend? So this is the short-term trend and the uptrend line. And the short-term trend, we are going to color code it in green because the market's moving up. Dark green maybe. And there you go. One more time. Dark green. And I'm going to, so click on this one, and now it should be automatic. There you go. This is a nice feature from the, everybody. So should we stay out? Should we buy? What should we do? Alex says buy. Not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform, everybody. Stella says buy. John says buy. Very good. Now, should we buy the short-term uptrend? Should we buy the Fibonacci? Or should we buy the market wave? Everybody, this is the most difficult thing you are going to encounter in the Forex course 101. The decision that you must make. Fair enough? Boss, what if I'm going to lose? Everybody has losing trades. It's a part of the game. You see the cliche quote, you know, losers are part of the game. This is what we're talking about. To be a professional trader, you must make peace with the losers. You must follow the strategy. Everybody, you must follow the strategy. And even if it's painful when the strategy tells you, get out, you need to get out. You need to follow the strategy and get out. Make sense? Even if your account went from 109,000 to 102,000, you need to follow the strategy, accept the losers, accept the drawdown, and then continue. Alright? This is the professional trader mindset. Until you make peace with the losing trades, losers, strategy, whatever, you know, no consistency. And that's the truth. Make sense, everybody? Even if you go to cryptos, it's the same story. So GBP/CHF, it's easy, right? What are we going to do on the dollar pairs? Euro dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar. What are we going to do on euro dollar pairs? Buy, sell. Javen, you are in the advanced course, the institutional course. Tell us, teach us, buy or sell. The daily chart is the intermediate chart. Where is the chart? There you go. The daily chart is the intermediate chart, everybody. So, what is the daily chart telling you? So this past resistance didn't work. This past resistance didn't work. This past resistance didn't work. And now we are at this past resistance. I'm not sure why I have this one, because the market crowned, you know, center tip crown, and there you go. What else can we do to have a better understanding and more confidence? Well, downtrend line. Market broke the downtrend line, but still lower lows or highs. Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Javen, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Sandy, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Douglas. How are you going to make pips and money, on Darwin X0 to get to the 30,000? How are you going to make pips and money, everybody, to get to the 30,000? You go to Darwin X0, capital allocation, and you go in here. At 30,000 allocation, if you obtain a minimum rating of 75. If I make 2% this month, if I made not 22, I'm not that good. You can play around with this simplified Excel. You know, let's say that I make 10%, right? I'm in the Forex course 101, I make 10% in the last 5 calendar months, and my drawdown was 5. Just an example. Calculate. Whoa, 83, 30,000. What if I made 12%? Calculate. 86, 35,000. What if I made 10% in 5 months and I made 5% last month? Whoa, 70,000 euros. See how this works, everybody? So Forex trading week, how are we going to make pips and money on euro dollar to get funded on Darwin X0? Boss, please, what pair is this? Euro dollar daily chart. Euro dollar daily chart. And everybody, I have 10 minutes, then I need to go, I'm sorry. There is no right or wrong. 106373. There is no right or wrong. You decide, everybody. Makes sense? It's up to you. So, hedge fund trader Julius. Boss, can I join Darwin X0 anytime? Yes, you can. You can join today, you can join tomorrow, you can join in 6 months, no rush. Alright? Boss, how much can I draw down in Darwin X0? You can draw down as much as you want. Great question, everybody. Not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. Alright, so how this works, this is the good thing about Darwin X0. They don't care how much you draw down, they care that you just make twice. Well, let's say if this is true, you know. What if I draw down 20%? Calculate. Still at 84. Alright, but this is the problem, you know, the last month, calculate. 73. See everybody, if I draw down 20%, this is the maximum drawdown, you know, I'm at 73, but if I made 2%, calculate 77, you still get funded. Darwinex don't care about drawdowns, but you must make, I believe, double, you know. Isn't this good news? Now let's have fun. What if I draw down 30%? 75. What if I draw down 40%? 75. What if I draw down 50%? 75. What if I draw down 60%? 75 still? Now I have my doubts. What if I draw down 90%? Not true. I don't believe they're going to give me 30,000 if I draw down 90%. Need to talk to Darwinex. Well, what the heck, right? You know, it's here, you know, they need to fund me. But I talked to the owner of Darwin. He said, well, unless you make profits, you know, we don't care about 90% drawdown. This is you losing the account. Agreed, everybody? So I don't think this is, I mean, I cannot say because it's online, but and they need to, you know, they need to be fair. What if I draw down 100%? What if I burn the account? 75. I believe something it's not good. What do you say, Julius? It's not. Sell the. Oh, talking about how we're going to make pips and money. Sell the original Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart at the end of the retracement. 1 hour chart, I do not have it, but sell the original Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart. Isn't the 1 hour Fibonacci up? Well, if you want me, I'm going to go on the 4 hour chart. I'm the 4 hour chart trader, not 1 hour. And give me a second, everybody. Yes, everybody. Yeah. No, don't get worried. You know, it's still, the offer still stands. If you open Darwinex 0, then you can trade with me for free. All right. Red goes to red, so this is the higher high on euro dollar, and green goes to green this time. All right, give me a second, but I'm going to talk to the owner. You know, I know the owner, so they need to readjust the logarithm that it's calculating the allocations. So Javen is going to short the market when the market makes a lower low. And if the higher time frame controls price action on the smaller time frame, now we have a problem because the market must crown here. There is a big distance, you know? Big distance, right? There is a big distance for the market to crown. Boss, can I short the market right now? Well, the answer is according to your strategy. For the Fibonacci traders, if you have a strategy that says, okay, at the blackjack level, which is the blue and the red, I'm going to enter short because of the risk-reward ratio. The market went to blue, so if the market falls, you know, this is going to be 1 per 2, 1 per 3, 1 per 4. So if you risk 1%, what Bitcoin? 1 euro. Clone. 1% what Bitcoin but euro, then you're going to get 4, right? Blue goes to blue. Boss, do you trust Darwin X? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. They are regulated in the UK and they are regulated in Europe. All right, and I know the owner too. So, but you know, knowing people, it's one story. They are regulated, you know. So yeah, I trust them completely. Yeah, you do your own research, okay? As we said, this stream is not trading or investment advice. All right, you need to do your own research and be responsible. But sure, I trust them completely. You're right, you're right. It's not on YouTube, everybody, but somebody just typed, well, most likely when they are building the funding logarithm, they are thinking nobody is that crazy to put 90% drawdown. Maybe you're right. We're going to do it at 20%. Calculate, you get funded. What if I lose 90%? Maybe, you know, I don't know, maybe, you know. Maybe. So they thought, oh, nobody is that crazy, you know. Yeah, whatever, you know, the programming, you know, the logarithm, whatever. Alright, everybody, we are almost out of time. See you back tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we're going to talk more about how to make pips and money. We can talk about crypto course if you want, Bitcoin. We can talk about Darwin X. We can talk about trading.com, another asset manager. Alright? Until tomorrow, everybody, stay strong. And remember, everybody, you have 2 weeks. If you are planning to come to the Advanced Institutional Trader course, the money phase, you have 2 weeks to build your 1, 2, 3. Alright? So let's get to work. Alright, everybody, have